We are joined with Bhuvan, husband of Ashika Punacha, who have raised the issue of the security threat in Bengaluru. So, what exactly happened? Why there is a delay in registering a complaint?
So, at the first place, this happened on the 2nd of April, and it was pretty traumatic. And I told my wife that let's not do this right now because the elections are in process, and it'll take a different route altogether. And she was like, no, we'll have to go and give it. I said no, and I somehow made sure that it doesn't happen until yesterday. But then yesterday I had to go for an injection. She saw my wounds, she cried, and then in the morning I wake up, I see 28 missed calls, and I see that she's posted about it. And that's when I called her. I said, what have you done? She said, I couldn't control it, and this should not happen to anybody because nobody deserves to go through some horrible experience like this when they're having a happy time with family. I said okay, and the media picked it up and everybody got to know about it, and that's when our well-wishers called us and told us that if you do not give a complaint right now, it'll be wrong. You being very respected citizens, it'll be wrong from your part if you do not give a complaint. So we have to, we had to come and give a complaint today.
That is the first time that you visited that place, or have you visited frequently? Have you experienced this for the first time? What exactly transpired for us?
So we've visited Karama before once long back, and there was no problems at all at that stage. And this is, I think, the second time we are visiting there, and unfortunately, this happened. So the first time we were there was no issues actually.